Hi everyone, I'm excited to introduce BQool's newest AI bidding feature and how it could save you tons of time by automatically adjusting your bids using our proprietary AI technology. This feature is designed to help save time and increase profits faster. Let's dive in. Here's how it works. AI bidding uses your actual campaign performance to adjust bids for you in near real time. This means you can control your ACOS with much less manual work. Pretty awesome, right? Getting started is super easy. It's just a few clicks. First, head to Ad Manager, locate the Ad Groups table, and use the Sort button to locate ad groups with high ACOS. Next, turn on AI bidding with auto-target ACOS with just one simple click. And here's what I love the most. You can also use bulk actions to enable AI bidding for multiple ad groups all at once. Major time saver. AI bidding works across different Amazon-sponsored ads campaigns, so you could optimize your ad portfolio efficiently. It also supports both campaigns you create in BQool and those you import from Amazon Ads Console. Just bring in your existing campaigns and let BQool handle the bid optimization for you. Behind the scenes, our AI is constantly looking at the key metrics like conversion rate, expected profit per order, and your target ROAS. It then automatically calculates bids to lower your ACOS. No more guesswork. The best part, AI bidding aggregates data across all your ad groups and campaigns, updating bids in real time as performance changes. It's cross-campaign strategic optimization that actually works for you 24/7. This means fewer manual bid changes and more time to focus on other parts of your business. Turn on AI bidding and BQool advertising today. Let the system handle the busy work and focus on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.